Hi guys, so we are at St James Deeping level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Jamie.
Bang.
Ooh, blooming heck.
This one was fast.
That sounds
Clay
like clay
pole.
pole.
Yellow.
That was quite fast.
It was.
Two
Ooh.
bang. That
Bang
one over
from
there
this
nearly
side.
bang. Hi guys, so we are at Folly Bank level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe and Jamie. Yeah. Wow. That barrier made a strange... Hi guys, so we're at Gosberton level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Beverley Cherry Tree level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Beverley North level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam. Does it bang?
Don't think so. Hopefully not.
No.
That one's creased.
That one over there sounds quite nice, doesn't it? Hi guys, so we are at Aram Station level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe, Adam, MA trains, MCLA trains, Jamie and Callow. There we go, time. Hi guys, so we are at Scarborough level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is 11:30. Hi guys, so we are at Lockington level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Beswick level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Kilnwick level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is... Hang on. Hi guys, so we are at Watton level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. He's in the car. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Hutton Cranswick Station level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Yeah. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Hutton Lane level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Yeah. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we are at Driffield level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Get back at it. It's got no...
Yeah, he's winding it.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, it doesn't bang.
It does gently.
He slows it down.
Hi guys, so we are at Driffield Station level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Bang. Look at that one banging. From the neck. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Driffield Wansford Road level crossing East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Yeah. No bangs. Right. Multi. Hi guys, so we're at Nafferton Station level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam. There we go, time is 15. Hi guys, so we are at Nether Lane level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam.
I'll have to do it on my phone for this one because the iPad's in the car. I'll lose battery. for
Upload it then. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Lowthorpe level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Burton Agnes level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with John Adam. That alarm's funny. There we go, time. Hi guys, so we are at Thorn Moor Ends level crossing in South Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. Oh, alarm goes out. Hi guys, so we're at Saltmarsh Station level crossing in East Riding. Hang on a minute. In East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. Hi guys, so we're at Waterdrove level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. That doesn't bang. That one does. I mean, hell. It even doesn't leave the floor either. Hi guys, so we are at Cheel Road level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. Oh no. That one doesn't bang. Hi guys, so we're at Ingatstone Station level crossing in Essex with Joe Adam and Paul Gilman.
This alarm's a high-pitched breakdown. Still a bit fast.
Yeah, excuse me. There we... Hi guys, so we are at Church Lane level crossing in Essex with Joe and Paul Gilman and Adam. Don't bang it.
It bangs anyway. See? Told you.
Yeah.
Bang. Down.
There we go, and the time is... Hi guys, so we are at Kelvedon level crossing in Essex with Joe, Paul Gilman and Adam.
Yeah, this is the fast bit now. I'm looking now.
Doesn't creak anymore. Time now is 12:30. Hi guys, so we are at Chits Hill level crossing in Essex with Joe, Paul Gilman and Adam. Carlton on Trent. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Ardley level crossing in Essex with Joe, Paul Gilman and Adam. Weird crossing, it's got a new... Hi guys, so we are at Manning Tree Station level crossing in Essex with Joe and Adam. There we go into the... Hi guys, so we're at Bentley level crossing in Suffolk with Joe Adam and Paul Gilman. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we are at Claydon level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Adam. Oh dear. That sounds like Caverswall. Hi guys, so we are at Balham level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Adam.
This one's still high pitch as well. Yeah, it's high pitch when it
Yeah.
talks.
There we go, time is 15:51 Thursday. Hi guys, so we are at Stowmarket Station level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Adam. Adam.
Don't know what that
Bang.
was for.
Right, the bang quite hard.
I don't know what the hangman was for, so it just bit me on my elbow.
There we go. Hi guys, here we are at Stowmarket Regent Street level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Adam. Wow, that's nice. They're nice alarms, they are. Hi guys, so we are at Sewerby level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Doesn't even work, Adam. There we go, time is 12:01. Hi guys, so we are at... Oh, blooming hell, hi guys, we're at Flamborough level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam.
Is that the island crossing, Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, down. Look, Joe.
Oh no.
Down.
There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we're at Bempton Station level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Another broken alarm. There we go, time... Hi guys, so we're at Buckton Lane level crossing in East Riding of Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we're at Speeton level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Blooming hell! There we go, time is... Oh, blooming heck! Right, the time is 15:20. Hey guys, so we're at Royal Oak level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is 15. Hi guys, so we're at Muston level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we are at Caton level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 17:30. Hi guys, so we're at Nether Poppleton level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Yeah. There we go, time is 12:20. Hi guys, so we are at Belmont level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Oh dear. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Starbeck Station level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam.
Helpston.
Yeah, it is. That is like Helpston, isn't it? Hi guys, so we're at Riggerton level crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Kind of sound the same, don't they?
No, that was higher pitch, way more higher pitch.
There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Porthmaddock Station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe and Nathan ARF. Doesn't bang. There we go, another... Hi guys, so we're at Snowdon Street level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe and Nathan ARF. Right, the time is 12:58 on Saturday 27th of August 2016. This is for your 12:55. It's here. 12:55. Welsh Highlands Railway service from Porthmaddock to Carnarvon. we go to Carnarvon. And... Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so we're at Trafe Mauer level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe and Adam. Oh, they're quiet. Trafe Mauer. That's quiet. There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Britannia Bridge level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. Right. The time now is 15:35 on Saturday the 27th of August 26. This is for our 15:35 Welsh Highland Railway service from Porthmadog to Carnarvon. Just... An empty carriage there. And now we're off to Carnarvon. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so we're at Gerwin level crossing in Isle of Anglesey with Joe and Just Class 67. There we go, now the time is... Hi guys, so we're at T Gwyn station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, the time. Hi guys, so we're at Harlech station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, another time is... Guys, so we're at Barmouth station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Fairbourne station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 15:44 on... Hi guys, so we're at Llanbedr station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 16:37 on Thursday the 1st of September 2016. This is for your 16:38 2 Golf 65 Arriva Trains World Service from Pwllheli to Machynlleth. (58826) to Birmingham International. Sorry, to Machynlleth. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so we're at Llanberis level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. Time is 15:01 on Friday the 2nd of September 2016. This is for our 14:55 Llanberis Lake Railway steam railway service from Llanberis to Sigladan. And there it goes to Sigladan. Thanks guys, next video. Hi guys, so we're at Gilfac V level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe and Nathan ARF. Hi guys, so we're at Pwllheli Goods level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. Quite quiet there. There we go, and the time is... Hi guys, so we're at Aberec station level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 11:40 on Saturday. Hi guys, so we're at Cricketh Maze level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go, and the time is 13:03. Hi guys, so we're at Cricketh Merlin level crossing in Gwynedd with Joe Thorpe. There we go. Now. Hi guys, so we're at Pasture Road level crossing in North Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time in. Hi guys, so we're at Elsham level crossing in North Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Kelby alarm. Old barriers as well. There we go into the... Hi guys, so we're at Appleby level crossing in North Joe Thorpe. Hi guys, so we're at Elmswell station level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. Jesus. These are clunky barriers. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we are at Hawley level crossing in Suffolk with Joe Thorpe. There we go, time is 12. Hi guys, so we're at Wessex level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time is 13:20. Hi guys, so we're at Rectory Road level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Mellis level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we... Hi guys, so we're at Palgrave level crossing in Suffolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we... Hi guys, so we are at Audley End level crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. Hi guys, so we are at Burson level crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Gissing level crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. Blooming hell. Hi guys, so we are at Hale Street level crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time is 17. Hi guys, so we are at Tivert level crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time. Hi guys, so we're at Moulton Level Crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time. Hi guys, so we are at Newton Flotsman Level Crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Swainsthorpe Level Crossing in Norfolk with Joe and Paul Gilman. Oh dear. That line doesn't sound very... Hi guys, so we are at Navigation Road Station Level Crossing in Greater Manchester with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Didn't even bounce. Oh dear. Jeez, that barrier's bad. Hi guys, so we are at Deansgate Junction Level Crossing in Greater Manchester with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Oh wow. Time. Hi guys, so we are at Hale Station Level Crossing in Greater Manchester with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Only one barrier banks, and that's that one. Hi guys, so we are at Mobberley Station Level Crossing in Cheshire with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Oh dear. That alarm's weird, but thank. Hi guys, so we are at Woodsmore Level Crossing in Greater Manchester with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Quite alarm. No bang, but that one over there does. Hi guys, so we are at Furness Vale Station Level Crossing in Derbyshire with Joe on the Level Crossing channel. Doesn't bang. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Cargo Fleet Road Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam.
TWE's on, Kelvy alarm, bang. Don't what?
Push it down.
I'm not pushing it down, for God's sake, Joe.
Don't shout. Hi guys, so you're at Middlesbrough White House Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. Oh. That barrier touches it, Adam. Hi guys, so we're at Gisborough Road Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. That alarm, the amber light glitch there. Time now is 13:52 on Sunday the 2nd of October 2016. This is for your 13:55 2 Delta 21 Northern service from Darlington, Whitby to Darlington. We have 156451. 156451 to Darlington. Thanks guys, thanks for the video. Hi guys, so we're at Battersby Road Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is 14:20. Hi guys, so we're back again at Bleasby Station Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Timer. There we go, the time is. Hi guys, so we're at Loudham Station Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe.
There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Crankley Point level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Time now is 14:55 on Friday the 7th of October 2016. This is for your 14:55 Trillium 71 Eastern train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. 158863. 158863 to Lincoln. Thank you guys, see you next video. Hi guys, so we're at New Haven Town Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
One DBCBs. The Superman will hang on it. Superman's very stingy here.
Not that loud.
Compared to Lincoln, though, it's not.
There we go. Time now is... Hi guys, so we're at New Haven Harbour Station, level crossing in East Sussex, Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
So they slope quite nicely, don't they?
There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we're at West Worthing Station, level crossing in West Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
That's a nice alarm.
It is. Doesn't bang. And this crossing's got now... Hi guys, so we're at Worthing Station, level crossing in West Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
Oh, that's a really good dodgy alarm. Bang. Bang. That one bang?
No.
Doesn't bang. That one
Just.
bangs, just about.
There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Shoreham by Sea Station, level crossing in West Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
Oh, whoa, did you hear it shake?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Look.
Oh. Well, that's weird, look.
There we go, time. Hi guys, so we're at Kemah level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting.
Joe Thorpe, or... Oh, Gatwick Express. So look at that skirt over there. Oh, hang on, wait, where's the broken skirt? That's had like a third of it taken out. Oh, could it be this one that was damaged, right? Oh, no.
There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Spatham Lane level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. There we go, time is 12. Hi guys, so we are at Cooksbridge Station, level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. Goodness me. Hi guys, so we are at Hamsey level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. There we go, time is 12. Hi guys, so we are at Hampden Park Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. Hi guys, so we're at Polegate Station level crossing in East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. That's a nice alarm. Loudest MCBOD I've heard. Timer. There we... Hi guys, so we're at Wilmington level crossing East Sussex with Joe and Southern Train Spotting. Hi guys, so we're at Berwick Station level crossing in East Sussex with Jones Southern Train Spotting.
Listen, listen, listen.
It's that one over there.
It is that one over there.
I guess we have no choice but to stay for 2.
That alarm's really loud for an interview.
There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we're at Selmerston level crossing in East Sussex with Jones Southern Train Spotting. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Ripe level crossing in East Sussex with Jones Southern Train Spotting. There we go. Oh wow. Hi guys, so we are at Barnes number 1 level crossing in Greater London with Joe and M Trains.
So that's here at Barnes and one other crossing in Greater London with M Trains and Joe.
That alarm is weird. There we go.
Go.
Hi guys, so we are at Barnes number 2 level crossing in Greater London with Joe and M Trains.
So guys, M Trains here, sorry about late start, just getting stuff ready. Here at Barnes number 2 level crossing with Joe Thorpe.
Hi guys, so we are at Mortlake Station level crossing in Greater London with Joe and M Trains.
So guys, M Trains here, sorry for late start, here at Mortlake Station level crossing in Greater London with M Trains and Joe Thorpe. Just gonna leave my coat in there.
Hi guys, so we are at North Sheen Station level crossing in Greater London with Joe and M Train. Nice alarm there.
M Trains and Joe Thorpe.
There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Datchet Station level crossing in Berkshire with Joe and M Trains.
M Trains and Joe Thorpe.
There we go. Another time in.
What's up guys? Here
Hi
we
guys, so we are at
at
Datchet Maze level crossing in Berkshire with Joe and M Trains. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Addlestone Station level crossing in Surrey with Joe and M Trains. There we go. Hi guys, so we are at Chertsey Station level crossing in Surrey with Joe and M Trains.
Misuse.
Skidded. Nice alarm.
Misuse.
Hi guys, so we are at Sunningdale Station level crossing in Berkshire with Joe and M Trains.
Station level crossing in Berkshire. Down we go.
Quite quiet.
Probably, I think it's already at night mode.
Wow. Don't think it is.
There we go.
Yeah. Hi guys, so we are at Wokingham Station level crossing in Berkshire with Joe and M Trains. I saw it was glitching. I had to film that.
I saw that.
Yeah, I had to film that. There we go, time is 18. Hi guys, so we are at North Camp Station level crossing in Hampshire with Joe and M Trains.
Sorry guys for late start. Here we are at North Camp Station level crossing in Hampshire with I'm Joe Thorpe. Broken skirt.
Oh yeah.
Didn't notice that.
This is nice. Hi guys, so we are at Sheets level crossing in Hampshire with Joe and M Trains.
London Draythorpe. There we go. Kingsford is just going off now as well.
Yeah. There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Prince's Bridge level crossing in Hampshire with Join M trains. There we go, time is 13:50. Hi guys, so we're at List station level crossing in Hampshire with Join M trains.
Go get the other BCD.
They're quiet. That one's... Hi guys, so we're at List common level crossing in Hampshire with Joe and M trains. Is your line broke? Time now is 14:55 on...
Yes, it is.
Hi guys, so we are at Farnham station level crossing in Surrey with Joe and M trains.
Down we go. BCD.
There we go, and the time is...
What's up guys, trains here.
Hi guys, so we are at Ash station level crossing in Surrey with Joe and M trains. We had misuse there. Pretty quiet. Time now. Hi guys, so we are back in at Newark Castle station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. That is quiet now. This one does it as well. These two barriers both... Hi guys, so we're back in at Staithorpe level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. Hi guys, so we are at Rolleston station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. That's quiet. You can barely hear that one over there. Hi guys, so we are at Fiskerton station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. There we go, time is... Hi guys, so we are at Morton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe on the level crossing channel. That alarm over there is quite nice. Hi guys, so we are at Burnt House level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe Adam on the level crossing channel.
That was too high pitched, isn't it? Down,
Oh, slow.
down.
There we go, time is left. Hi guys, so we're back again at Three Horseshoes number 3 level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe Adam on the level crossing channel. Did you? Oh dear.
11:57.
There. Hi guys, so we are at Allens West station level crossing in County Durham with Joe Adam on the level crossing channel. Timer! That's good. Oh. Oh wow. Time now is... Hi guys, so we are at Early Nook level crossing in County Durham with Joe Adam and Callow with Joe Adam on the level crossing channel. There we go. Hi guys, so we're at Redcar Central level crossing in Yorkshire, in North Yorkshire with Joe and Adam and level crossing channel.
Alarm's quiet now.
Oh yeah.
Watch, it'll go really fast in a sec.
He
What?
won't. He can't.
It's going to go faster now. Look, there we go. Really fast. There's signal man. And it'll slow down now. Oh, the other one's not even slowed yet. Oh yeah, it has.
Wow.
Closed. Closed.
There we go.
Hi guys, here we are back again at Church Lane Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe Adam and the Level Crossing channel. That's nice. It's got a swingy skirt. Yeah. It still bangs. There we go. That one bangs as well. Hi guys, here we are at Longbeck Station Level Crossing in North Yorkshire with Joe Adam and the Level Crossing channel. That's high off the floor. That's high. There we go.